Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Oak Hills local and long distance movers near me. Our qualified movers know how to make certain your long distance move does not consist of all the stress. Whether you're moving a single state over or you need to move across the nation, we're here to help you. Relocating isn't simple. However, using the best moving services can definitely make things so much easier. Our experts handle all the necessary moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent prices. It may not be very easy to reconcile the expense of hiring a California moving company. A better look at the benefits you receive from a local moving company can help you recognize why it's a smart option. The time savings you gain can make hiring a moving company one of the best choices you've made. Eliminating the heavy lifting also gives another advantage you get from working with the right local movers. Our moving team will make it easy to get to your new location without having nearly as much concern. You never need to worry about spending several days managing your move when you pick 3 movers to help. A move that might take you all weekend to finish, we can handle in a single afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Oak Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.